Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy Mehta Brown and today I am doing this purple smoky eye makeup look. This is more of a colorful way to do a smoky eye without having to use the conventional black or brown shades to achieve that. I feel that brown skin, we can just pull off purple so well and it complements our skin tone. I think the trick to achieving a very beautiful purple or blue smoky eye is really all about the blending. So if you guys are interested in how I achieve this makeup look, please keep watching. All right, so I already have my LA Girl Orange Corrector on and I've blended that out under my eyes and around my mouth area, and now we're going to move on to foundation. I'm just going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth in the shade Golden Beige right here, and today I'm just going to use my fingers because sometimes I just like using my fingers as blending tools. I've used that for quite some time. I kind of change between brushes, beauty blenders, and fingers. So I'm taking some foundation, warming it up in my hands. Used a Morphe beauty blender to just pat that foundation into my skin. Next, I'm going to move on to the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. One good thing about using your fingers and not a beauty blender is you just end up saving quite a bit of product. Obviously, sponges, they do soak up quite a bit of product. So if you want to make the most out of the product that you have, it can be nice to just use your fingers and warm up the product and then go in with a beauty blender or brush and blend it out really well. So I do like that technique sometimes, but it does get a little bit messy. You just have to be working near a sink. And now I'm just going to take this Morphe beauty blender and just going to press the concealer into my skin. Also going to take the concealer and put it on the center of my face a little bit. I'm going to set the concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Next, we're going to prime our eyelids with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I'm just going to set my eyelids today with the Makeup Forever Pro Finish Powder again. And now I'm going to fill in my brows with the Embark brown eyeshadow. It's just a nice matte brown eyeshadow. So my eyeshadow look today, I'm going to be using a couple of MAC eyeshadows and this Perception palette by Shayla and Colourpop, and we all know that I love this, and I've used this palette for many eyeshadow looks. I'm going to be using this for the purple eye makeup look today that I'm doing as well. And for my starter brow bone contour, I'm going to use Texture today, and I could use Culture right here in this eyeshadow palette, which is really convenient, but as you can see, they're very similar, and what I don't want happening is me using Culture every single time I do an eye makeup look off of this eyeshadow palette, and then taking a trip somewhere and taking this palette alone and not having that one single eyeshadow. So I've been using Culture a lot. I just need to give it a little break so I can use all the other eyeshadows evenly, and I'm just going to use Texture today instead. Next eyeshadow I'm going to layer on top is going to be Creme de Violette by MAC. I'm now going to put Unbothered's lightest eyeshadow on right below my brows right here and in my inner corners. All right, next eyeshadow I'm going to go in with is this shade right here. That's titled Shade. I'm just drawing small little circles on my outer V because that's where I want to keep the color. I'm going back in with the Creme de Violette and just blending that out. I'm blending out the edges just to help it look more blended. So there's no sharp edges here. Okay, we are ready for our lid shade, and I'm gonna take this shade September right here on a flat brush.
That's good.
I'm going to put on my eyeliner, just gonna use the usual Blacktrack fluid line that I have by MAC right here. Okay, so my right eye is already done. I'm just going to do the left eye now. Got a little wing going on here. I'm going to make that even to the best of my ability. Okay, I have got my eyeliner on, and now I'm just going to blend out my lower lash line with the shade from this palette. Blend that out so our eyes look very meshed together, the lower and the bottom parts. So just working and going back and forth with two brushes here. We are now going to move on to our face. I'm just going to bronze up my face with this NYX matte bronzer as usual. Okay, that's looking good. Now I'm gonna move on to some blush. Just gonna use Mocha by MAC per the usual. All right, now we're gonna move on to highlighter, and I'm gonna use the Shayla and Colourpop Boomin highlighter right here in a light gold shade. Wow. Okay, we're gonna move on to the lips, and I am going to use this lip combo right here. This is the Shayla and Colourpop Come On Sis lipstick, and this is the Morphe lip liner in Coffee and Kissy. So this is going to be more of a pink neutral shade that I am using for my lips today to go with this purple eye makeup look that we're trying to just keep smoky and sexy and glam. Before we put our mascara on, I'm just gonna set my face, and today I am actually gonna use a new product here, and this is the Laura Geller Spackle Mist. It's a prime, set, and refresh spray. Okay, now we're gonna put on our mascara, and gonna use the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. So generally what I like to do is once I'm done with my face, I'll look at my face again and I'll see and analyze if I want to add any additional products onto my face, if I'm missing something, or if I need a little zhuzh. So sometimes I'll probably put on more of the sparkly, I'll put on another layer of the lid shade or a little bit of blush or highlighter, but in this case today I feel like I'm missing some highlighter on the bridge of my nose, and I'd really love that. So I'm just going to take some on the pinky finger and put some right here. So we are done with this look, and I'm just going to do my hair and be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. My hair is done, and this is the complete finished look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and hope you were able to take away some tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.